Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Bedia. I am Bedia. Welcome again my channel. In this video, I am talked about 3 steps to learn speaking English. How do you learn speaking English? So friends, I hope you people are doing well, fit and fine. I am also doing well, fit and fine. 3 steps to learn speaking English. So friends, they are listening, speaking and reading. Reading and speaking and listening. These three are very important to learn speaking English because you everyday practicing in English, learn speaking English and listening and reading also. So your English is improving because I also, my case also, I am everyday getting and and improving my speaking English. So I know that I have a many mistakes and a lot of mistakes I have heard, but I try to speak in English. So friends, speaking is a very important for learners to learn speaking English. If you want to learn speaking English, so speaking is a very important for us, and reading also, because readings your mind and your speaking skills are developed in your reading and listening. You listen in English, anything you listen, so you want to listen in English. So friends, speaking is a very important for us because you are a learner, speaking learners, speaking English. You, if you are learn speaking English, so speaking is a very important. So how to be practicing at a home, because we have a don't any friends, don't any partners, don't have a environment is English environment. So how to practicing? So friends, I am talk about 3 steps to speaking English, how to speak and improving your speaking English. So they are, first of all, what you to do, you take a reader book, okay, and every morning you speak and read out loud. And what you do, first in speaking English, every day you take any topic and speak it loud and practice to anything you speaking, anything wrong or right. Because first you level 1, you think that I am speaking first day in a very excellent and a very fluently. So this is a not a impossible, this is a very impossible. So first day to you try to speak it in anything you wrong or right, anything you speak. So I say one, first is speaking every day in a one topic, like anything you take a topic, like you pick up any topic like Jharkhand, social media and internet, what is this. So all you take any pick up any topic and speak it loudly, and then this is a very impactful to you. You every day practicing it, trust me, your English is improved. Then second is introducing yourself, practice it yourself, okay. So every day you speaking 5 minutes to introduce yourself, because it is a very impactful to you. Every day you practicing in English and loudly speak it, improving your English every day, speaking in your introducing yourself. Third one is what you do. If you are English learn in a level 1, So you daily speak in this steps, two steps, those who are beginners. So first is what? Pick up any topic and speak it loudly, and second one is introduce yourself every day speaking loudly, and third one is very impactful, because it is a daily routine. Daily routine is a very simple and a very, its contents is a very simple, because it is used only simple present tense, and its construction is a very simple and easy. So you will do this, and every day speak it loud. Okay, so these three tips is very important for you, and speak it, and improving your speaking English, because I am my case also, I am practicing English in this way, three ways. So thanks for watching. If you are new on the channel, please, you have not subscribed my channel, make sure that you will subscribe my channel, and also like my this video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.